Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Magic Studio Effects Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called Magic FX Studios. So this is that review, and right now we are on the sales page here. And then the price of this Magic Studio Effects is right now $25. Okay, and looks like this might increase. So grab your copy if you want to buy this after watching this video. You will find the link of this page below my YouTube video somewhere here. Go down below the video in the description and click on the link that says grab a Magic Studio FX copy here, and that will take you to this page because it says here build spectacular videos and grab attention with high-end virtual studios. Leverage the futuristic technology and automatically transform your personal touch videos into professional virtual studios. Includes revolutionary technologies like a one-click green screen remover, immersive scene creation, virtual sets, and more for attention-grabbing video creation. It's super easy to use and won't bust your budget. $25 only, okay? And you have to watch this video actually, because if I play the video, you will see some glimpses. For example, this is the blue, what's called? Virtual Studio, okay? So this is the background you will be getting. And these are those template boxes, digital boxes, okay? And you can see some more here, 3D broadcast TV studios. So you can have these kind of virtual studios like a TV background and these ones here, and you will see many more examples or the samples on this sales page. So yes, come on this page. As I said, you will find the link below the video, and then watch this video for 6 minutes, and after that let's pause it and scroll down. So it says all done for you, 3D virtual and real studio sets, all in one solution. No need to buy separate modules and extension software for chroma key construction. Well, if you are using virtual studios, then you would know about these terminologies, because as of now I don't use these fancy things in my videos. I simply make very basic videos actually. My video is only an audio, so I record my laptop screen. So you're watching my laptop screen at the moment and you're listening to my voice. That's my video. No fancy things, nothing is popping up here and there in my videos, okay? But yes, you will have to go and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the usual stuff, the usual, okay? So just do that, subscribe, like, and if you want to support and contribute, you can click on super thanks as well. I will talk about these money-making links in the end, so keep watching the video till the end. And now, so it says no complicated abilities needed. Even newbies can easily create sophisticated, high-quality, professional 3D virtual studios suitable for a green screen video and live virtual video broadcasting, marketing, presentation, review, or YouTube videos. All right. Gain customer confidence with high. So obviously, if you want to take your videos to the next level, either you want to use them in your own YouTube videos, into your other projects, or you're a freelancer and you sell or you create these kind of marketing videos for your clients, you can charge them hundreds of dollars by using these templates, okay? So this is already launched today, and I want to show you some sample videos which you will find on the sales page itself. So these are those green and blue screen, and these are the videos I was talking about. So when you will come on the sales page, you will be able to play them. So this is like a news, I guess, newsroom studio, you can call this. Yes, it's a newsroom studio. This is Mercury, Mars, Planet, Magic Studio. This is again some kind of studio, right? So Magic logo, yeah, I was right actually. Magic logo opener, TV broadcast studio set. So come on this page and play these videos one by one to understand what kind of templates you will have access to, and then you can obviously change and customize them as per your needs, as per your brand, as per your content, whatever you want to write on top of them. If if you're a freelancer, you can sell these kind of videos to your clients and customers as well. So it depends how will you utilize them, but yes, it's a cool feature. What do you get here? Unlimited videos, no limits, magic. Okay, here it means that you can create unlimited videos. It's not about how many templates you are going to get inside. So don't think that you will be getting unlimited studios inside the package. No, the package is still on the plan. I get it. So unlimited videos here mean that you can get these templates, and using those templates you can make unlimited videos. Clear? Crystal. Magic Studio FX Builder. So you will get all these features, and the price is already discussed, 25 bucks. BUCKS bucks. These are some important questions. So what is Magic Studio FX? Magic Studio FX is loaded with industry leading features that you can access from a single user friendly Okay, so they have made these things using Hit Film Express, that is software for editing, I guess. Now they are saying you don't have to use Hit Film Express. If you prefer to use another video editor, you can take just the Virtual Studio scene sets, 3D Virtual Studio sets, TV, blah blah. So you can pick up their templates and import them into your video editor. However, the templates in this package are for Hit Film Express, so it will be a wise thing if you work with Hit Film Express already. I don't know what this Hit Film Express is, because I use my own video editor for simple things for now. Can I sell the videos I make with this video builder to another business? Yes, you can resell the videos that you make using our blah and blah. Does it work on both Mac and PC? It's based on cloud. It's like a browser login thing, so it works everywhere. Are there any minimum system requirements? Okay, yes. To run Hit Film Express, your system should come with this thing. If you're using Apple, then you should be on OS X 10.13 or higher. And if you're using Windows computer, yeah, if you're using Windows, then it should be Windows 10 and above. So you can't use Windows 8, unfortunately, or Windows. There was no Windows 9 actually. It was Windows 7, Windows 8, and then we missed Windows 9, and then we have Windows 10, and I think I have 11. So processor Intel Core i3, it's very important. So Core i3, I would say go for i5 minimum. Okay, these days, this is just a add-on information here. If you are planning to buy a new computer, the Windows computer, Windows, if you want to buy a new Windows computer, make sure you always buy minimum i5. Max you can go for i7 or i9, but minimum go for i5, because later on in the future, if you, let's say you buy i3, if you buy i3 will not be able to do those multi-heavy tasks, video editing, exporting and all that. For that, the average computer should have i5. Personally, I use i7. RAM 4 GB, and technically these days 8 GB comes in every new computer. So go with i5 8 GB if you are planning to buy a new computer. That's what my personal recommendation was. Graphics card. Okay, so if you people deal with video editing, you will know these technical requirements anyway. If you're a newbie, I would say as a newbie, learn how to create videos like me first before you move on to the next step. In other words, if you want to make money with videos, then you can make money with videos just by creating simple videos like me, and I will talk about them in the end. So this thing is only for people who are into video editing, or they're freelancers, or they are tech savvy. It's not for newbies. No matter how much you say it's for newbies, no, it's not for newbies. It's not for newbies, because I know you will not be able to make this work. And even if you can learn editing and all that, where will you use those videos? Okay, so you don't have traffic to sell. So newbies, stay away. Keep watching the video till the end if you're a newbie, if you want to make money online. If you are some expert or you need these video templates, then go and buy. You will find the link below. What's the license? Unlimited use on your projects and use on your client's project. You can't resell it. Is there any limit to the number of videos that I can make? Unlimited, no limit. What's the refund policy? There's no refund. Ask me. I'm telling you, only buy this if you want this. Otherwise, do not buy. There's no refund. No refund. No refund. Whatever I promote, whether it's my product or somebody else's product, if you're buying from me, remember one thing in your head: no refund. You wanna buy? Buy. You don't wanna buy? Tata bye. Okay? So don't worry about the refunds here. Make sure you do your research. Whether you buy something from this Magic Studio, or whether you buy something from me, no refunds. Okay? Because we provide quality. If I ask you to buy something, that will be quality. Okay? So yeah, don't bother yourself with the refunds. Refund is just, it's fine. In some cases, you should have the option to get the refund, because you might be investing too much money in that case. Okay, so anyways, let's not stress the video. So do we have some OTOs? Yes, we have the OTOs. There are the OTOs. This is front end, then OTO 1, then OTO 2, then OTO 3. This is a downsell, by the way. So there are only two OTOs, 1 and 2. Let's see what is the detail here. No detail actually. So they're not saying what exactly are you going to get inside the OTO 1 and 2. It just says deluxe magic and it says vid instant library. So it doesn't talk about the features. So what you have to do is, once you buy the front end, then you will be taken through those upsell 1 and upsell 2, and you will be presented the sales pages of those OTOs. And on those sales pages, all the features will be mentioned. So just you can pick and choose. It's not mandatory to go and buy OTO 1 and 2. This Magic Studio Effects will be very charming on its own, but if you want to upgrade, you can pick and choose there. Okay, so this is Magic Studio Effects for you guys. If you're tech savvy, if you are into video editing, go and pick these templates and have fun and sell them, make money, or use it for your own projects. Okay, but if you're a newbie only who wants to make money online, then go below my video here and check out the first link where it says make money on autopilot with forex trading. This forex trading means that currency trading, you buy currency at low price, you sell that at higher price, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay, you can't do that on your own, I know that. So you don't have to do it manually. Instead, we will be installing a software on this virtual machine. As you can see here, this is my virtual computer. We'll be installing the graph. On this graph, we will be installing a software. That software will have our settings, which we will provide, and then that software will be making money for us automatically. Okay, however, to do all of this, you will have to go through this training. So once you click on the first link, come on this page here and then enter your email address, enter your name, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch the videos there and then take action. Once you're on the main page, then watch the instructional videos there, and then get into the program and then learn everything, because this syndicate is around 8 hours long training program in which you will learn all the basics of forex trading, and you will learn about this machine graph and how to set up the software, stuff like that. It's a one-time learning, but you will have to go through. Okay, and if you will have any questions, you will have contact to me over Skype. You will be able to chat with me live on Skype. Okay, so if you can learn, implement, absorb, then just go through the training and make money with forex trading on automation. If you can't do any of that, then no problem, come back, subscribe, like, leave. Second link says here to make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I do on YouTube. It will help you to make these reviews, do affiliate marketing, get your YouTube channel monetized, and make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this video, whether you buy this Magic Studio Effects from me or not, this video has made some money for me already, because when you watch this video, you're watching some advertisements in this YouTube video as well. And that's how I make my money without even selling anything. So if you want to make money on YouTube by recording videos only and without even selling, then you have to get your YouTube channel monetized. For getting your channel monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. With the help of Traffic Jarvis, you will get them in 2 weeks only, and your YouTube channel will be monetized maximum within 30 days. I know what I'm saying. Did you get it? Of course you get it. Did you get it? All right, so in the end, Magic Studio Effects, you will find the link below, grab your copy and get it, just get it. Okay, these are very cool video template, studios, virtual studios. Okay, go get them if you want them. And if you are here only to make money online, then first option is for people who don't want to make YouTube videos every day. They don't want to work so much hard for money. Go for option 1. If you have time to make YouTube videos and you want to do the manual work like me, then go for Traffic Jarvis, because I do everything. When I have this machine working for me, then I'm free, and in my free time I come and make YouTube videos. So you can do both, or at least one of them. And subscribe to the channel, it's free, like, it's free. And now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.